The hurricane season is well underway. Bay County officials want to make sure you have a plan for the four-legged members of your family. UFIFAS Extension Bay County teamed up with Emergency Management Services and Bay County Animal Control to host a pet hurricane preparedness event. As News 13's Alex Schley tells us, it's important to prepare for your pet as if it was yourself.
When faced with an emergency, whether you choose to evacuate or shelter in place, Bay County is working to ensure residents are prepared to keep their pets safe. Bay County officials hosted their first pet hurricane preparedness event.
It's the same like we'd prepare for ourselves. You want to make sure that you have food and water available immediately for your pet. We recommend either canned or if in a pinch you can put it in a plastic Ziploc bag. And then carriers are also important because it's a stressful situation.
In a Pets to Go bag should be all of their documentation.
We recommend having your pet's vet records so that way if they need to be identified, you've got that information. If there's any medication that they have to take, if they're lost or separated, you want to make sure that you have pictures in that paperwork.
While Bay County is home to several pet-friendly emergency shelters, most won't admit animals unless owners provide proof of vaccination.
You have to have like the rabies little tag that your doctor always gives you after your dog gets their rabies, and then just you can have printed off copies of their medical records to have a list of shots that they've had to show that yes, they have all of the required shots.
Bay County Animal Control is doing a pre-registration for pet-friendly emergency shelters.
It's not that they have a preserved spot, but you're ensuring that your paperwork is filled out ahead of time, so that way when you go to the shelter, there's an easier check-in process.
Bay County officials say the shelters operate on a case-by-case basis. In Panama City, Alex Schley, News 13, Panhandle Strong.
For a full list of recommended items to put in your pet's go to our website, mypanhandle.com.